Come on. Where are you at? Oh Lord, baby Jesus, I pray to you today that I don't fall and bust my butt. You ready for this, Olive? No, me either. We are just gonna cuddle up and not do anything today. Just kidding, some of us gotta work! So I was not prepared for the snowstorm of the SBC, so got a spatula and yeah, we're gonna scrape. We're gonna get on the road today. Get to work. Get the show going. Alright, here we go. Yeah! Look at that! Okay, I think I got the hang of this. Somebody out there is probably watching this and going, it's not how you do it. If so, let me know how to correctly do it. Maybe this guy could help. He's got it. So I was able to get in the car and scrape everything off, or kind of. Now, the towel that I put up here is stuck to the windshield, and we're cold. It's all good. We'll get in the house in a minute, but just not built for this anymore. I don't know about you, but my little sausage fingers can't handle this. I feel like they're like about to freeze off. So for some stupid reason, I left my gloves at work, so I'm gonna have to use this as a glove. Okay, so far, with the help of my spatula, kind of gotten a little bit. And now for the windshield. See if my clever towel trick will work. Oh my gosh, thank you, baby Jesus! Woo! Yes! Now. And now, I scrape.